All right, table saw safety real quick. The trick with not cutting your fingers off and being safe with table saws is making sure that the blade height is the right height for the material you're gonna rip or cut. So first key is to make sure I've got my tip of my blade just above that wood. So when I rip it, I don't have any kickback or any other issues that come with it. So make sure that you keep the table saw unplugged, size up your blade to the right height of the material you're working with, and then you should be good to go with every other thing running safely.
Yo, step to my click and get overrun. The weight on my shoulder feels like a ton. This is all I want, fuck a one-on-one. This termination, no vacation. Vibration, create a creation that has nothing to do with religion. It's all part of an intricate system.